Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video we will fix the HP LaserJet Pro 400 M401dn. You can see here that his rear door cover is broken, and this is what we will do now, so let's get into it. Remove the paper tray and the toner. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the printer side cover. And also the right side cover. Just like that. Next, raise the printer and release the duplexing paper feed assembly. Unscrew the rear cover. Pull out the assembly. Next, disconnect the duplexer assembly from the cover. This is our new rear cover, part number RM1-9161-000CN duplex model. Connect the duplexer assembly and rear cover. And install the assembly. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mabuhay. Peace.